This is why you need to witness the Boeing 777-300ER in action, pushing boundaries and defying gravity. Imagine standing on the tarmac. The ground vibrates beneath your feet as the engines roar to life. The Boeing 777-300ER, a marvel of modern engineering, is ready for takeoff. With each second, the anticipation builds. This isn't just any aircraft. This is power, precision, and performance, all rolled into one sleek machine. As the plane accelerates down the runway, the sense of raw energy is palpable. It's a symphony of mechanics and aerodynamics, working in perfect harmony. In mere moments, the wheels lift off the ground. The Boeing 777-300ER soars into the sky with unmatched grace and power. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of flight excellence. Feel the thrill, the excitement, the sheer awe of this incredible machine. This is Air Canada's Boeing 777-300ER, unleashing takeoff power like never before. Ready for your next adventure? Don't just watch. Experience the magic of aviation with every takeoff. Subscribe for more breathtaking moments in the skies.